Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is Palace week number 1 drop that I picked up. So this is the long sleeve tee or the tops. It cost me about $58 each, and I picked up 2 of this plus $12 for the shipping fee. So the total damage was about $108 total out of the door. There's no tax. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. So they only give me like a 1 sticker because I only this is 1 order. So this is the SOFAR pocket long sleeve tee. Both of them are size medium. I pick up 1 black one and then 1 orange color. Oh, my bad. Wow, it is 128. I was like $20 off. My bad. So 58 times 2 is 116 plus 12, so it's $128. Be sure you got this barcode, and that's the size, and then your color, plus that's the style number, and then your description for this t-shirt. Come with this nice Ziploc bag. And there's a Palace warning on the back. Okay. Wow, this is nice. The reason I pick up this is because of this classic Tri-Ferg logo right here. This is a nice patch, and it's right on the pocket. I like the way that how they fold it. It has a nice presentation, and they even use this tissue paper to protect the clothes. And there's a silica gel that always comes with it to keep it dry and moist. I like this pretty soft material compared to the Supreme. I always like the Palace shirt. It's a size medium. And here is your pocket. And always look for the inner label right here. You should get this tag. Palace Skateboards. And it also has a description of the shirt. This is 100% cotton. And here is your RN number. This is made in Vietnam. Let's check out the black one. I want to wrinkle it. Wow, look at the patch. Pretty nice, eh? I like it black because black never gets dirty compared to white or yellow or blue or other colors. Tissue paper, your silica gel. Do not eat this. Like there's somebody's marking or something, I don't know. Little white stuff here. Again, this is size medium. So, same label. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And stay tuned for the try-on body fit. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.